So this is part two. I accidentally, press it into stupidly. So in my closet. So this is my round two show off.
Contact with enemy.
Teka, teka. Wow. He's toxic, bro. He's toxic. You can see that. So let's actually try the 8 without the. So let's put on my toxic set. So without the akimbo, it's actually like a sniper. It's like a sniper. And I love it when I look. It's like a sniper when you saw it. Snipe. Yep. This toxic son of a bitch wanna fight me. Okay. So this toxic bitch wanna fight me. So I'll be using the akimbo on him. And I made it. Toxic bitch. Bitch wanna fight me. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's bring the toxic to him. I know it's lag. Oh my god, I just can't. He sees me. Oh my god. Why did I notice that? Okay. I'm kinda a bit noob. Look at. There we go. Just go down and play. So let's be careful next time. And I'm actually an 11-year-old kid playing on a phone, and I'm not actually a pro. So it depends on me. I just need subs, because I've been doing YouTube for 4 years, and I'm brain, and I've been taking a break. Fucking toxic bitch. So you wanna be toxic, eh? Let's be toxic. Come in. Come in, you fat bitch. I know somebody can see me there. So let's come. There we go. Oh, we just won. Oh, okay. Round 4. Now let's move on to round 5. So switching places. That should be good. This actually is a sniper. So the iron sight is kind of short, I think. So you might have to put on. I don't know what to do. Oh my god. It's two shot, it's long distance.
Last man standing. Finish it.
Last man standing. Oops, somebody sees me. Yep, there you go. Somebody sees me.
It's not over yet. Ready up.
Oh my god, bro. So we got campers. We got campers on our team sites. Ignore the chat. He just says, you're nice. He did not just say, bitch.
Contact with enemy.
I think there's someone behind us. Yep. Lag. The lag just intensifies. So where are you? There we go. So you might put some accuracy on it because it got low accuracy. Bro, they're camping me. So I just noticed they've been camping there. Camping on the side, so let's camp there on the side. So toxic set. Because they're, toxic players. And there's two players in. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Nice work. Get ready for the
Okay,
next
now
round.
this is, I think. So let's cut when we actually win a round. So I'm not actually gonna cut off.
Contact with enemy.
I'm not gonna cut it off.
Lost the ball.
Oh my god, bro, my team. My freaking team. How dare you betrayed me. There we go.
Finish it.
There we go. Now GG. We just lost. Look. Bang. So this is 10-8. So wish we won. So I'ma just got. So my teammate just, killed one. So let's see. Oh, we spot another one. Look, they're toxic. Yeah, one's using a Fennec. That's what you call a toxic player. Again. Oh my god. Okay. There we go. One toxic player on. I use my toxic set when a toxic player just crossed me. Bro, the Fennec Akimbo is so annoying. That's why we need the Deagle Akimbo to match it up. Once an SMG, plus SMG, and once a shotgun.
Don't want this happen again.
So I won't be doing, a battle pass giveaway or something like that. Because I'm just a normal kid. How do I, get a battle pass? Let's see. Oh, I think, yes. Let's play the item fusion. So let's see. Let's be lucky. Let's be lucky, man. Let's be lucky. Which one? Wait, let's ask Google. No. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 to 8.
Here are some results from a search.
Pick a number between 1 to 8. Seven. Google just gave me 7. So let's play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one. Flip. Wait, what? No. I just said I asked Flip. Oh, we got a PK. Oh, that's a nice PK skin. Actually. Oh. We got 3 scars. So let's check it. So it's around 3. No, round 2. No, we just got around 3. Oh. Oh my god, we're close. So that will be the end of the video. Just keep rushing. Bye bye.